How to change your YouTube channel name and your YouTube handle is very easy, whether you're trying to do it on your computer or a phone. Since I'm on a computer right now, I'm going to show you how to do it from here first, but then I'll show how to do it from a phone afterwards. So after signing into YouTube Studio, what you want to do is go to customization. After here, you want to go to the basic info tab, and from right here, you can see that you have your name and your handle right below name. From here, you can go ahead and edit both. If you have a handle that you want, but it's already taken, like let's say CJ channel, you can see that the handle isn't available, but YouTube will suggest one for me. I don't have to take the name, but I can use it if I want to. But once you are done with changing your YouTube name or handle, you can go ahead and press publish, and YouTube will save the changes. From your phone, what you want to do is open up YouTube Studio app. If you don't have that downloaded, you will need to download it and sign in. Once you do that, go to the top right where your profile picture is. Click on that. Here you can see your channel's name and handle. Over on the right where the edit icon is, you want to click on that. That will give you the option to edit either your channel name or your channel handle. Once you decide which one you want to do, click the edit icon, type in your new name, make sure you save the changes, and you're done. Hopefully this video helped you out, and if it did, why don't you leave a like so other people know that this was a good video to watch.